Ali, the editor team, and I am looking now at a scenario with how we might handle protected branches within settings. So at the moment, protected branches look like this, and the title collapse. And we had this box here to add a new protected branch. And once you click protect, it all gets added to this list down here. One of the issues brought up by Mike Nichols is that um, we're planning to add more information to this protected branch area, and because so there's limited space down here, and things are beginning to get truncated, and as a result, information will be missing because here maintainers looks like maintainers in something else, and it's not very user friendly. One of the things that I've been looking at for settings improvements is the idea of um, consolidating the pages and only reviewing the information when necessary. So let's jump into my exploration and in the application of this practice. So, like we said before, this is what we have currently, and with the proposal of changing this layout is to only show the information to add a branch when you really need to add a branch. So in this example, we have um, all of this stuff hidden away under add a branch. If you click on add a branch, that information will appear. How this will appear has not been solidified yet. We don't have rules around whether this should be a modal, inline, or a separate page. This is something that we're going to explore further in the upcoming months across the different teams and scenarios to find the right pattern. But as a first MVC, we can hide and show existing blocks on the page. So we might go with the inline review like this. So click on that, reviews this block that we had before. Nothing's changed. And the only thing here is instead of saying protect, um, the CTAs are add or cancel. So this kind of gives way to how I propose to solve this problem of the information here. If we're adding information, we're showing this block here. We can then take this idea to reveal the information, reveal this block, because this is the same stuff that we would want to edit when we're doing updates. So the proposal here is that potentially to have a read-only view of what this information would look like. So for content with long names, you could wrap inline. This is something you can't do with dropdowns. And if you want to edit, and you click edit, and then it opens up a block like this. Whether you need to edit things on the immediately directly from the list, that's going to be something that your stage and group will be responsible for figuring out what's the right user experience. But at a general high level, the assumption is that people don't need to make those kind of changes really quickly, and that these types of changes would happen once in a while, not an everyday thing. So we don't need to optimize for that experience. So we would just review that information when you click edit, and all the information, including new ones, can just be added to this, and you can change it up how you want. The beauty of the read-only view is that this is only one of the many ways that you can present the information. By breaking it off from the table view, whether you need to do the comparison, that's one thing. But another way to look at this is to potentially rearrange the information in a card layout or something that's presents the key information that's necessary immediately or in the most effective way. So hopefully this gives you some ideas of where the team is thinking about settings, and hopefully this helps you with your exploration in helping displaying the information for our users in settings. Thank you.